Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Back for our Manchester City career, 102 without the oil money, as they say. So obviously we started the season, a couple of fixtures played, a couple of transfers brought in, Taribo West and Chamadera. Managed to get rid of Edgel and Dickoff, but yeah, it's one win, one defeat so far, and it's been a bit of a tricky start. We've had probably the best teams in the league, or the ones we expect to be up there with us. So far in Forest and Palace, and I think we've got Wolves next and Portsmouth, and I think these are all teams who will finish near the top of the table. But yeah, attention's turned obviously now to the League Cup. We're going to rotate the squad a little bit here as well. I think it's a good opportunity to give some fringe players some game time, keep their fitness up as well. Opportunity to give Taribo West some match fitness as well, put him in. But literally we're going to try and change nearly the entire 11. I think we can probably do most of the players. Yeah, and I think it's just a case just giving people other opportunities, etc. So yeah, we just need to move Benarbia to the right. He's a little bit more comfortable there than he has been. To be honest, Berkovic and Benarbia have probably been the biggest disappointments so far this season. They've not really sort of lived up to the hype. I do remember them being absolutely awesome players for City during this sort of period in time, but yeah, so far they've not really done much. So we're going to probably play Berkovic in this game, to be honest, because we've got really no one else we can probably put into that position. But yeah, I think we're generally happy with that. Just double check it all, everyone's in the right positions, just change the captain. Andy Morrison's a good leader. Yeah, I think we'll go with that. Chamadera's debut, or full debut should I say. A couple of squad members there to the young ones, Toure and Calissimo. Calissimo covers a lot of positions, doesn't he? Might be someone we might need to think about putting on the bench going forward. So anyway, Scunthorpe at home. These are in League 2 as it is now, or Division 3 as it was then. Oh, and there we go. Wow, go. Chamadera, great, awesome. Straight in, first goal for the club. And he's second. Living up to his reputation as an awesome player in this game. Obviously only a young lad still. Taking in mind we are just playing Scunthorpe at home. No offence to Scunthorpe. A game we'd expect to win and win quite comfortably. So, and it's good that they're not two legs anymore, these. We can just obviously get this all done in one night. But yeah, obviously I think we'll need to bring Berkovic off in a bit. So I might just take him off now, to be honest, because he's the only one who sort of played at the weekend. Put Toure in there, and we'll drop Huckabee. Maybe, yeah, we'll try Huckabee there. Maybe drop him into the 10. Actually, I think he's a bit more comfortable into that role, and then just go from there. Yeah, see how that one goes. Yeah, so really it's just a case of get through the next round, give players some game time. And don't pick up any injuries or anything like that. So yeah, so far so good. I'll just make another little change as well. Anybody got a book in? Horlock. Oh yeah, Horlock's a starter, so we need to drop him. There was two, wasn't there? There was Berkovic and Horlock. So that's good that we've got him out of there. Great stuff. And we get a third goal. Nice. Oh, there we have. There we are. Oh, hat-trick! Chamadera's hat-trick. Not bad for a full debut, is it? As I say, caution in this, it is Scunthorpe. Again, no offence to you Scunthorpe fans out there, but yeah, cracking. 3-0. That'll do. Safely through to the next round. That's all we can ask for. No injuries. Players have got game time. Yeah, and let's see who we get in the next round. I'm not bothered about much in the draw. We'll just let him tell us in a minute. Some Champions League going on there. UEFA Cup as it was known back then, Europa League now. Palace got turned over by Walsall, so maybe our defeat to them, it doesn't look as good. Oldham, okay, at Boundary Park, okay, that's quite a local team to us, obviously. Mark, you just can't seem to get these players through the door. Anyway, Wolves, doesn't get any easier. Let's just quickly move this round to what we think is more of our first choice. We'll leave Taribo, I think, in at left back. He's got a game under his belt now, so hopefully he's feeling a little bit more fitter. I think Calissimo can cover so many positions. I think it's silly probably not to have him on the bench thinking about it. Whitley back in. We need to get Benarbia back. Berkovic can stay in. It's harsh, do I drop Chamadera or do I start him? After a hat-trick, it feels like he deserves a start to me. And maybe we'll leave Wanchop out because Gota's been played really well so far. It's a risk, but Shall I go for it? Yeah, I'm going to go for it, yeah. Harry's captain. Wolves away. Happy with a draw, but you can try and sneak a win. That'd be good as well. Decent start. We seem to be creating most of the chances. But Wolves, like I say, I think I'm almost certain they got promoted this season. Or it's the season after. It's in the next season or two that Wolves did go up to the Premier League. So they are building a very good team here. We're holding our own so far. It's quite an even game. It'd be nice going to half-time 1-0 up there, but no. Okay, not too bad so far. How's that looking? Yeah, fairly even game. Which is good. Let's have a look at this. There's plan okay. Create a chance. A few sixes around. Carlo's done well. But yeah, overall, we're generally happy. We'll make a little change in a minute. How quickly this time goes, 63 minutes already. Bring the goat off, one shot on. And Benarbia is being really poor again. Bring Huckabee on as well. And even Somerville, yeah, they've just not. I am really disappointed with those two guys so far because they should absolutely be smashing this. We should change it up slightly just to accommodate Huckabee. I think can play just in behind the Pratt and Whitley just to sort of be a bit more defensively minded in there. I thought there was going to be an instant impact there. Somerville again though, isn't he? He's really a thorn in their side so far, but he can't get all one shot. We're missing lots of chances, boys. Come on, we need to take some of these. Probably shaded this game, haven't we? And that's the key. Well, there you go. That's Championship Manager for you all over. Can we equalise? Oh well. Wow. That's a disappointment. And that's Championship Manager all over for you. Certain games where you just don't expect. Yeah, I think we were slightly shaded that one, weren't we? The better team, but let's look at the stats. So good. Jeff Whitley played well. Nash. Alfie Arland with a 5 there. That's not the best, is it? So that's 2 defeats now. And they're not very unhappy. I mean, that's a bit harsh. Very unhappy. It's not as though that we've gone away to one of the smaller teams and lost. Who we've got next? Pompey away. And now again, I think they did get promoted this season. I've got a feeling they won the league. Did they win the league and finish second? I'm sure it was. We've got what's up with him? Oh, he wants a new contract. Okay. Do we change? I think this one shot needs to come back in actually. And nothing against Chalmadera, but maybe we'll just go with the experience. Benarbia and Berkovic really need to think what's the fitness line. Let's have a little look. It's rebuild a little bit 82, but I think we should be able to get through. We'll look 88. I've got Tiato on the bench to cover for that anyway, and Colosimo. Let's see how this one goes. But yeah, I think they had like, was it Merson and Prosinecki and people like, yeah, Prosinecki, yeah. Oh, there you go. Wow, Sean Derry. Yeah, another obviously one who was played some of his time in the Premier League as well. But yeah, Prosinecki was a bit like a cheat code, wasn't he, on this? He was an absolute fantastic player. Why on earth he ended up in the second now? Oh wow. I'm gonna stop talking Portsmouth up because they're absolutely. Oh wow. Okay. That really summed up your season, Benarbia, hasn't it? That really summed your season up. So we have to change this now. Yeah, Whitley maybe more defensive, but it's in the middle. Yeah, he's had an absolute mare this season so far, hasn't he? We already had a mountain to climb anyway. It's always going to be a tough game. We were 2-0 down before they even got sent off, so this could end up being a cricket score. We have to be careful. We're still creating some chances ourselves, we just can't take them again. Chop again there, go to Mr. Few. Yeah. Next goal though, you never know, we could get one back. You never know, we might be able to somehow sneak a draw. Oh, there it is, one shot, good goal. Can we keep going? Was that Dave Besson in goal there as well? Wow. We're not doing bad actually, we're creating some good chances. I'm reluctant to change anything because of how well we're playing with only 10 men, but can't go like that. Oh, I thought we were going to grab that last minute equaliser there. And again, oh, Goats missed 2 good chances right at the end of the game. So disappointing that we've lost that game. But the performance actually wasn't that bad. Do you know what? Anyway, I don't want to appeal. How poor he's been. Very unhappy. I'm sorry, but I know there's big expectations and we're a big club, but you have to remember we are Manchester City in 2001. Oh, that could do it happening nowadays in, where are we on? September 2025. Whenever you're watching this, Sheffield Wednesday were having a bit of trouble with their owner at that point. Sean Whiteford, no. Sean can go out on loan, but I'm not interested in leaving on a permanent transfer. Rotherham, okay, that's not a bad game. We'll be in a lot of trouble if we don't beat Rotherham. No offence to Rotherham again. I don't want to offend people. Yeah, we've got a few away in international duty. For Berkovic is away as well. So I'm going to put Sunderby in, I think. Is that what we'll do? And Warlock's out, which means I have to bring down Tiato in as well. I do feel as though that central midfield area is somewhere where we probably still need to just strengthen. I would love to get Mark Kerr in, obviously, but they're just not playing ball, are they, at the moment in time? Let's look at that Tiato and Albius. That would be. Yeah, let's do those 2 up front. Okay, cool. Let's see whether we can get a win and get the season back on track in the league. But yeah, Rotherham we're quite a decent team here at this point. I think under Ronnie Moore, we stuck around in that second tier for a few seasons. But yeah, we've got to be winning this game, and we have to. If we don't, then I might sack myself. I might resign. This could be the end of the series after 2 episodes. I'll just resign. Making a pretty good fist of this, aren't they? Taribo West is injured now. Oh wow. Okay, big stew's coming on. Come on, PSE. Lead from the front, son. Do I bring Chalmadera on here? Not sure. Or do I just leave it another couple of minutes? Bring Whitby off from Madera and really go for it, I suppose. Yeah, I think we're going to go 4-3-3, I think. Really sort of try and push it home because, to be honest, we need to be winning this game. And there we go, bang, instant, the GOAT gets his goal. The second one to make it a bit more comfortable, wouldn't it? But Rotherham are still creating some chances, aren't themselves? Do I maybe shore it up a little bit? I think I need to be honest. I think I just need to. I thought we were going to get a goal, but now we're 5 again. Wow. Yeah, go a bit more defensive, I think. Maybe Clisimo on, maybe Benarbia off. Could drop maybe one shot into sort of behind the front 2, going that way, and then 5 at the back. Yeah, go a little bit more defensive, which shows you where we are at the moment in time. We're defensive at home against Rotherham. Oh, who's injured? Andy Morrison. Oh, okay. One to have to sit in midfield and track him out there and go the 4-3-2. And wow, we're like ending games with 10 men, don't we, at the moment? Can we see how? It's all right. It was all us. That's a win. A win's a win. A win's a win. We're back on the ball. 2 wins, 2 defeats. And that's it. I think we'll probably call it time there. So, not the best of episodes, to be honest. A couple of wins, a couple of defeats, but yeah, join us on the next one to see how we get on and how we're progressing and can we start climbing the table. Until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, hit notifications. You can enjoy more of this series. Bye bye.